Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this well-equipped Triumph Street 66675R, registered the 18th of July 2016 on a 16 plate with 10,287 miles and presented in crystal white pearl, benefiting from a comprehensive service history. With 7 stamps in the book and previously sold by our good selves, this particular 675R has a wealth of tasteful extras and upgrades, including pyramid plastics, fly screen visor, Oxford heated grips, genuine Triumph CNC machined front brake reservoir, bar end mirrors, stubby adjustable levers, seat cowl, paddock stand bobbins, Evotech tail tidy, carbon heel plates, Evotech radiator guard, LED indicators and a must-have arrow exhaust. This gorgeous 675cc triple is good for 105 bhp, and with an impressively flexible mid-range, it's enough both to entertain and keep up with much bigger bikes. Always in demand for the new rider looking to step up to the first big bike, or for those looking to downsize, the Street 66675R is engaging and well-mannered to ride and can also be a little spicy if you want it to be. This stunning street bike will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable to all our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 44 4H or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.